Embrace a new era of supply chain management with IOX Creative. On-demand production becomes a reality, reducing overhead costs, minimizing inventory, and ensuring that your products meet market demands precisely when needed. You're not just manufacturing, you're pioneering. You're at the forefront of the fourth industrial revolution, where technology converges with creativity, and the future of manufacturing takes shape in your hands. IOX Creative 3D printing is your key to unlocking a world of innovation, creativity, and limitless potential. Embrace a new standard of production, where the only limit is your imagination. Our rapid prototyping capabilities enable you to iterate at the speed of thought. Join the ranks of forward thinkers, innovators, and pioneers who are shaping industries and pushing the boundaries. Welcome to IOX Creative 3D Printing.
IOX, welcome to the future. Innovation, optimization, excellence.